Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox with no internet on mobile. It's a common question, and I'm here to clarify. Roblox is fundamentally an online gaming platform. This means that to access any of its millions of experiences, your mobile device needs an active internet connection. All the games you love are hosted on remote servers, not stored directly on your phone or tablet. So, a connection is always necessary to join the fun. The reason an internet connection is so crucial for Roblox is simple. Your mobile device must constantly communicate with Roblox's servers. This continuous data exchange is how your device downloads all the game assets, player data, and real-time updates. Without this constant flow of information, multiplayer interactions, saving your progress, and even loading the game itself become completely impossible. It's the backbone of the entire experience. It's important to understand that Roblox does not currently offer a built-in feature for playing games completely offline. There are no official methods to download specific experiences or worlds to your mobile device for later access without an internet connection. So, if you encounter information suggesting you can play Roblox entirely offline, please be aware that such claims are generally inaccurate. The platform is designed for online engagement. While Roblox requires an internet connection, that doesn't mean you're out of luck for offline entertainment. There are countless other fantastic mobile games specifically designed for full offline enjoyment. When you're browsing your app store, simply look for games that explicitly state offline play or no internet required in their descriptions. These titles can provide hours of fun and engagement, perfect for when you don't have any internet access at all.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.